Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. Today we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to general agriculture which have been repeated in many of the competitive exams. Moving on to the first question. Insect white grub damage is more in which type of soils? The scientific name of white grubs is Holotricha, and the white grubs are also called as the chafer beetles, and the white grub damage is more in sandy soils. Removal of the auxiliary buds is known as nipping, and it is the common practice in chickpea. Qupium was developed by introducing which gene? Qupium is quality maize protein, and it was developed by introducing the gene OPEC2. The Qupium maize was developed by Waschel. What is the surface temperature of sun? The surface temperature of sun is about 6000 degrees centigrade. Which of the following is a disaccharide? Glucose, galactose and lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide and it is made up of glucose and galactose. That means its monomers are glucose and galactose, whereas glucose, galactose and fructose are monosaccharides. Which of the following comes under microfauna? Bacteria, fungi, algae. All of these three come under the microfauna. Leading state in isabgol production. The leading state in isabgol production is Rajasthan. Pungency of mustard is due to the presence of. The pungency of mustard is due to the presence of glucosinolate. Fern leaf of potato is due to the deficiency of. It is due to the deficiency of zinc. Minimum isolation distance required for groundnut for foundation seed production. Here, groundnut is a self-pollinated crop and it requires less isolation distance. So, the answer is 3 meters. Tungro disease is related to which crop? Tungro disease is related to rice crop and it is caused by rice Tungro bacilliform virus and rice Tungo spherical virus, and it is transmitted by leafhoppers. Recently, Terminator technology was developed in which crop? Terminator technology is a genetic modification to produce the sterile seeds, and it was recently developed in cotton crop, and it is patented by USDA and Delta Pine companies. Organelles related to protein synthesis. The main organelle related to protein synthesis is ribosomes, and some extent rough endoplasmic reticulum is also included in protein synthesis. Enzymes are chemically, the enzymes are proteins. Stability of a protein structure is maintained by which element? The proteins usually have sulfur. That means they have a disulfide bond. Because of that, the stability of the proteins is maintained by sulfur. Chiari disease is caused due to the deficiency of. It is caused due to the deficiency of the zinc, and it was reported by Y.L. Nene. And zinc sulfate is usually applied for correcting the deficiency of zinc. Which gas is least contributor of greenhouse? The gas which is the least contributor of greenhouse is N2O, and it accounts for 4%. Per capita cultivable land in India is. The per capita cultivable land in India is 0.14 to 0.15. CO2 concentration in atmosphere is around. Previously it was 0.03, but now as the concentration of CO2 is increased in the atmosphere, it is 0.04%. Urea hydrolysis is done by enzyme. Urea hydrolysis is the process where urea is converted into ammonia, and the enzyme is urease. So urease is the enzyme which is used in urea hydrolysis. Grey speck of oat is due to the deficiency of. Grey speck of oat is due to the deficiency of manganese. Diameter of clay particles is around. The diameter of the clay particles is less than 0.002, and that of the silt is 0.02 to 0.002. Tag color of certified seed is. Usually there are 4 types of seed, that is nuclear seed, breeder seed, foundation and the certified seed. The breeder seed tag color is golden yellow color and foundation seed tag is white, and that of the certified seed is azure blue. NSC, National Seeds Corporation, is started in which year? It was started in the year 1963. Dominant soil order in dryland areas is? The dominant soil order in dryland areas is vertisols. Which gas is released from paddy fields? Methane is the gas which is released from paddy fields. Shifting cultivation is mostly practiced in which regions? Shifting cultivation is also called as Zoom cultivation. As per FAO definition, it is a type of farming in which short periods of cultivation is followed by the relatively large period of fallow. Shifting cultivation is practiced in northeastern regions, mostly in the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura and Manipur. Average rainfall of world is around 1000 mm and that of India is 1194 mm. Medicinal crop used for curing constipation. Isabgol is the medicinal crop which is used for curing constipation and it is mostly produced in the state of Rajasthan. Net cultivated land in India is? The net cultivated land in India is 142 million hectares and the gross cultivated land is 193 million hectares. Largest flower exporting country is? The largest flower exporting country is Netherlands. Backbone of America is the another name of which crop? Backbone of America is the another name of maize. Boneless meat is? Boneless meat is soybean. It is so called because it is rich in proteins and another amino acids. Mango variety suitable for high density planting. The mango variety suitable for high density planting is Amrapali and it is a cross between Dasehari and Neelam and the spacing is usually 5 meters by 5 meters. Maximum tea production is in which country? Maximum tea producing country is China. Which gas is responsible for ozone hole formation? The major gas which is responsible for ozone hole formation is chlorofluorocarbons. Pungency of chili is due to? The pungency of chili is due to capsaicin. Which element is constituent of chlorophyll? The major element which is a constituent of chlorophyll is magnesium. Yellow colored fruits are rich in which vitamin? Yellow colored fruits are rich in vitamin A. Pheromone traps are used for which insects? Pheromone traps are used for the control of the insect pests and they attract usually the male insects. So the male insects are killed in the pheromone traps. Which of the following is the precursor of ethylene? The precursor of ethylene is methionine. First KVK, that is the Krishi Vigyan Kendra in India, was started in which year? It was started in the year 1974 and the first KVK was started at Pondicherry. Stomatal transpiration is around dash of the total transpiration. Stomatal transpiration accounts for 85%. Which of the following is a ripening hormone? Ethylene is usually the ripening hormone. N content in anhydrous ammonia. The nitrogen content in anhydrous ammonia is 82% and anhydrous ammonia contains high amounts of nitrogen. Elemental sulfur contains dash percent of sulfur. When we come to the elemental forms, any elemental form contains 100% of the nutrient. So the elemental sulfur contains 100% of sulfur. Progeny of the breeder seed is? The progeny of the breeder seed is nuclear seed. And foundation seed is produced from breeder seed. Fertilizer which is neither consumed nor produced in India. Calcium ammonium nitrate is the fertilizer. It is a neutral fertilizer and it is not produced in India and it is not used in India. Which of the following is a C4 plant? Maize is a C4 plant and along with that millets and sorghum also come under the C4 plants and rice and cotton are the C3 plants. Now we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What is the median of this data? Median is the middlemost value and it should be arranged either in the ascending order or the descending order. So when arranged in the ascending order or the descending order, the middlemost value is 5. So the answer, that is the median of the data, is 5. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.